this area.
He gains the zone. Shoots. Score!
You get this close to the goaltender, the puck on your stick, you got to snap it quick.
He just wasn't able to get over and cover the top of the net. The shot's perfect. It's right in the roof, and the goalie's dejected.
Takes that pass from the other point. Knocks it away with the stick. Save! Score!
Take your stick and knock the puck out of midair, it's going to knuckle all over the place.
And so sometimes your best isn't enough. That is a perfect shot up over the glove hand. The goaltender just was not able to get to it.
Oh, and he is drilled. Score! And the game is even.
Especially in the offensive zone. If you want to isolate a defender, you got to get people moving over to the puck carrier to give him more options. That's exactly what happened on this play.
That's the shot there, Edzo. Low to the stick side. The goaltender can't get to it.
It's a 3-on-2. How will they defend this? A shot. Score!
Williams realized he didn't have much time in tight, and he put it in on a one-timer.
Edzo, I don't know about you from up there, but I thought he stopped this. It's just ricocheted off him into the net.
Right in front, off his pad. Out in front, score!
Marlowe's skating ability got him to the high slot. He was ready with his stick on the ice and one-timed it into the back of the net.
Scrimmage is in excellent position. It looks like he stopped the puck, but it bounces past him.
Passed up the middle for Everly. What a move! They score! Wow, that's getting on the board fast.
Everly's decision was pretty easy. This low in the slot, just snap it home.
Smith's probably pretty happy with his positioning here, Edzo, but he's beaten over the glove.
Up the wing. Look at this! Score! And the game is even.
Zone's body position allows him to get this puck to the backhand and put it in.
Anderson's beat over the pad, under the glove. This is one he'd like back.